We're back now with new developments in that shooting that happened on a movie set during the filming of Rust.
Cinematographer Halyna Hutchins was killed in the incident, and now her family has settled its civil lawsuit against star and producer Alec Baldwin.
NBC News legal analyst Danny Cevallos is on set with us for more on this. Of course, if there's a lawsuit, a legal matter at hand, we've got to have Danny Cevallos on hand. All right, Danny, walk us through this. How much do we know about this settlement, what it could mean for Alec Baldwin and the film's producers going forward, and what does the settlement mean now in terms of an investigation, that type of thing?
We don't know much about the settlement, like the dollar amounts, and that's not unusual. Normally, in a high-value settlement like this, in a high-profile case, it is hush-hush. Usually, one of the conditions is that the dollar amount not be released, lest the defendants create a sea of swimming sharks looking to circle and come and sue them for some other reason. So it's not unusual to keep this stuff secret. What is unusual is the statement that was released by Mr. Hutchins. Now, that statement could be read as just a, press release about the settlement. But as an attorney, you look at that statement and it seemed to me to be a direct Morse code message to the Santa Fe DA's office to say, look, we've settled. We no longer want any criminal charges. That, I believe, is how you could read that statement, even though that's not what it said explicitly.
And I'm so glad you mentioned the Santa Fe DA because, of course, there are criminal charges being considered right now. Notably, Alec Baldwin has said he did not pull the trigger. But what do you think we could see there?
Consider the timeline. Last week, the Santa Fe DA's office made an announcement, or essentially it was reported that they were considering charges against, I believe, up to 4 people. And then a week later, miraculously, the parties in the civil suit reach a settlement. That is not a coincidence. It could be, but it's probably not. What happened likely was Baldwin, his legal team, the defendants all said, now that this is getting real on the criminal side, run, don't walk, to settle this case. Now, here's the important thing. That does not bar the prosecutors from bringing a criminal case. In fact, it has no effect whatsoever. But the practical reality is that once a victim no longer considers themselves a victim or doesn't want to cooperate, the case becomes a lot harder. You can subpoena them. You can make them reluctant witnesses. It's just not a good look.
I want to ask you a little bit more about that statement that you mentioned. This is from Hutchins' husband, Matthew. I'm going to read part of it here. It says, I have no interest in engaging in recriminations or attribution of blame to the producers or Mr. Baldwin. All of us believe Halyna's death was a terrible accident. Could a statement like that weaken any criminal case in any way? I mean, if the victim's family is saying, we think it was an accident, I mean, what does that mean moving forward in terms of trying to pin blame on someone?
I read the goal of that statement to be exactly that, to minimize the likelihood of a criminal case. In fact, it probably was part of the conditions of the settlement. Hey, we're going to reach an agreement, but you're going to have to go out there in public and say, I'm the victim. I no longer want a criminal case. That doesn't immunize Baldwin and the other potential defendants, but it makes it a lot harder. I would suspect, at least if I were advising on this settlement, I would say make sure there's a statement so that it's clear. And by the way, lo and behold, Santa Fe DA releases a statement saying, hey, we can still prosecute if we want to. Their back was against the wall.
Danny Cevallos, always breaking it down for us. Thank you so much. A lot of people wondering about this one.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.